All right, welcome back to class. I'm still Onoyemi Akim, and I will be taking you on Python user inputs. So we are going to work on the user input aspect this time around, and let's quickly look at what we are going to make use of when it comes to user input. Uh, First, Python allow for user input. So it allow user to input data directly through the terminal. And that means we are able to ask the user for input. We can ask them to input anything we want. The method is a bit different in Python 3.6 and than that of Python 3.2.7. So Python 3.6 uses the input function, while Python 2.7 uses raw input function. So the following example asks for the username, and when you enter the username, it gets printed on the screen. So we are going to ask the user to type their username and we display that on the screen. Let's quickly do that now. So first we declare a variable username and we give it input. So this is the input function that is used by Python, not capital I but small letter I. So in Python 2.7, it is called raw input, but in Python 3.6, it's now input. So inside this input, we are going to tell the user to enter their username. Enter username, and that we are going to print. We're going to print username is, and we concatenate it with the username provided. All right. Let's run this and see the output. I know it's going to ask us for the username, so we say Shola, and immediately it's going to print username is Shola. So that is an example of how to get data from the user. What can we use when we are making use of the Python kernel? So that is that. Then if we try to use raw input, that's for the okay. Let's try the raw input and see if we are going to because this is Python 11, Python 3.11. So I don't think it's going to work for this because it's not Python 2.7. But let's try and see the outcome if it's not going to throw error. All right, username Johanna, and consider the raw input throws error. The raw input throws error. So with this, you can see that we have error for this one that is used in Python 2.7, of which is outdated now. But for this, it is still in vogue, which is 3.6 and above. So this one work fine. So in that case, I will only comment this out because we might be doing some other things ahead. So after this input, I think that's just the only way we can input data with the input function in Python. After that, let's look at string formatting. Okay, so we're going to look at string formatting in our next video. Thank you.